What's going on, guys? It's my swag here, the minion of the Mighty Clan, and today this is going to be crazy. I am about to give away my fidget toys. Okay, I'm about to pause this video. 3, 2, 1. And we're back, guys. Here is my fidget cube. I got my light fidget spinner in my room, but it doesn't work, guys. Okay, so let me show you something. This is what you spin. Sorry. This is the cap that you press, and these are the buttons. You don't press this button because every time I try it, it doesn't work. And this is the wheel.
No, he needs a trustworthy friend for this glitch, and I guess.
And this is what you guide. And the last thing is what you flip.
I'm about to go join a party. Wait. I'm gonna be in the party because this game and maybe
Alright, next up is my lighting fidget spinner. Pause this video again. 3, 2, 1. And we're back, guys. I'm just kidding. It does work. Okay, let's see. See it. I'm about to do the warping outside, okay? So, okay. This is, okay, I'm about to go out. Dang. I'm about to put this phone right here and go outside. Wait. Alright. We're going to put this side. They put it right here. Good.
Yeah, dog, I think you might. Mohammed, where are you at though? Alright. Hang on. What? Hey dude, I invited 2 people to this party. It's Mohammed and then one of my friends. Dude, how does it feel? I was planning on one of them and that. One point be up to you guys planning on one of them and that.
Nah, it didn't work.
See? Oh, do you see that?
What?
The new head I got. I got the Cobra head.
Why does he have to do this out there?
I don't know. He's doing something. I don't know what he's doing. Hey, Muhammad, I just got the Cobra head for the site. Bro, Cobra, bro. I just made Cobra off.
Wait, what time is it? We're gonna have to start wrapping up. It's 4 o'clock.
Maybe we can go outside the parkour. Guys?
Huh?
Okay.
It's 4:07. We have to break at 4:15.
Okay. So guys, we are outside. Wait. Alright, so guys, we're outside the... Oh, dang. Where can I put it? Maybe I can put it this way. So guys, we are outside. I'm about to do fidget spinner warping. Whoa. Well, that was so cool, guys. That was the warping, the best warping ever. Whoa. So cool. Okay, last spin. Well, guys, that was the fidget toy giveaway. The free fidget toy giveaway. So I'm about to end this video in 3, 2, 1. Actually, peace, guys. Wait. Is this video end? Okay. Peace.